In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Cloud Text-to-Speech. We'll keep this simple and focus on getting you to the right, trusted resources fast so you know exactly where to begin and what to look for. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type "How to use Google Cloud Text-to-Speech" and press Enter. This exact phrase helps surface the most relevant guides, especially the official documentation. On the results page, look for links that come from cloud@google.com. That's Google's official site for cloud products, and it's the most reliable, up-to-date source you'll find. You'll often see a product overview, a quick start, and sometimes a demo page linked right there. Before you click, scan the result titles and snippets. Prioritize pages that say Overview, Quick Start, or Documentation. If you see third-party tutorials, they can be helpful, but always compare them with the official docs to confirm details like supported languages, features, and current pricing. Also check the date if it's visible. Cloud products evolve quickly, and you want the latest instructions. Go ahead and open the official text-to-speech documentation. Once you're in, pause for a moment on the overview. This section explains what the service does, supported languages and voices, and key capabilities like SSML support and audio formats. Understanding the big picture first makes everything else easier. If you see a Quick Start link in the sidebar or near the top, that's your next stop. The Quick Start typically walks you through the essential setup and the smallest possible example to hear your first synthesized audio. As you skim the Quick Start, note the structure. You'll usually find prerequisites at the top, followed by a short set of actions and a test you can run. If you're brand new, don't worry about every detail yet. Just identify where code samples, language options, and command line or console instructions live. Many official pages also include samples you can copy and adapt later, plus references for parameters like voice name, language code, speaking rate, pitch, and audio encoding. A helpful tip here: bookmark both the overview and the Quick Start pages. The overview is your map. The Quick Start is your on-ramp. If the docs provide a playground or demo link, use it to preview voices and formats without writing code. That's a great way to build intuition quickly. Finally, take a minute to scan the pricing and quotas section so you know how free tiers and limits work before you experiment further. With the right pages open and understood, you're set to follow the Quick Start and bring your text to life using Google Cloud Text-to-Speech.